What if you could ask Claude, why did my traffic drop last week? And it could actually go into your Google Analytics account, pull the data, and actually give you a real answer. Core is good, but it can get overwhelming. There's a lot of data. And most of the marketers choose to ignore half of the data. Now, Claude can actually work on this complex data, actually reason with it, and give you real recommendations. But in order to do that, you need an MCP. A Google Analytics MCP is available, but it gets very difficult for a non-marketer like me to set it up. You need someone who knows tech to help you out here. But that changes. GrowthSpree has built the Google Analytics MCP, put a layer of B2B around it, and created a platform where you can connect your Google Ads account with Claude absolutely free. We don't store any data. We don't read, write any data. We just help you set this MCP that we've created in just about 5 minutes so that you don't need any tech help. You can just get started immediately. Now, if you're a B2B marketer and you want answers like which landing pages have highest drop rate, which paid or organic channel is actually driving better traffic, these answers around pages, sessions, devices gets difficult for marketers, humans like me, to go deep into. And that's where I have started using Claude along with this Google Analytics MCP. So if you are sitting on a Google Analytics account, which is possibly a gold mine, but struggling to get insights, it all changes today. Let's dive in. So the first thing that you do is visit our website, growthspreeofficial.com, look at marketing AI agents, click on Google Analytics at MCP. So right here, you have to do is you have to put your email ID. Just put your email ID and click on Get Access Now. And in about a minute, you will get an email. This is how the email is going to look like with this particular subject line. Zipeline is what we are calling it now. We used to call it Empower AI earlier, but now we are calling it Zipeline AI by GrowthSpree. Simple process, very quickly. Let's see what we have to do. First, click on this link. It will take you to Zipeline platform with the email ID and password, which you already have in your email right here. Use this and log in. Once you're in, go to the integrations page, find Google Analytics right here, click on Finish Setup. A simple OAuth process will start. Use the email ID, which has access to your Google Analytics account. And once you're done with that, move back to the integrations page. So once you're connected Google Analytics, this is done. Make sure that you are able to see this API token, which is going to be useful in just a bit. Come back to your email. Next step, you have to download this MCPB file. Just click on it. A drive link will open and just download it by clicking here. Once you've downloaded the MCPB file, come back to the email. You now have to download Claude Desktop if you don't have it. It's a simple process. Just download it on your Mac or Windows and just sign up on your Claude account. Next, we move to on Claude. First, visit settings. Go to extensions, click on advanced settings, install extension, and just put your MCPB file that you just downloaded right here. In about a few seconds, a dialog box will appear just like this, and you will see it is enabled. Click on configure. Just move out of the screen. This is where you have to paste your API token on the Zipeline platform. Once you do that, click on save, and you're good to go. On the new chat, before you start asking questions, which are going to give you some amazing insights, I promise, make sure that you go on connectors and see that GrowthSpree MCP server is enabled. That's all. Get started, start asking questions around traffic, around devices, and start making better decisions. Thank you.